I've got a challenge for you. So you are going to make a bowl out of Legos and a spoon, so I can eat out of it with the granola I'm making. Do you accept? Is that a yes?
Yes!
All right, get started. You have 24 minutes.
Hey guys, it's Max, and normally I'm the taste tester on Zoe's channel, but today we're watching Made by Max. Okay, so Zoe issued me a challenge to make a bowl and a spoon out of Legos for her to eat granola out of it.
What?
Alright, so we've gotta get some Legos out. So I'm thinking of making...
So you gotta build some walls?
I'm thinking of making a tight space down here. And then, well, not that, but this. Put a tight space right here. Then make it go bigger from putting it like that, and then put some Legos in the middle to keep it up. So that's what I'm gonna start doing right now. So I'm making the middle of the bowl. What you're gonna need is a lot of these kind of things, and also ones that are long. And put them in the middle and start putting these pieces on the edge.
Talk to us. What's going on?
And there's like a piece there, so what I usually do to get them out is just throw them off the wall.
Wow.
So now we're gonna keep doing it circular until you think it's high enough for a lot of milk and granola. And after this row, we're gonna do one more row and start making this one. And also a good way to make one of these, but not just finding them, is getting 4 of these small ones and putting them all together. I mean 3, not 4. And you'll be done with the
6 minutes.
So for the spoon, you're gonna get one of these long things. And if you want, which I would do, because if you'd have to find a lot of pieces, I would put it on the back. And if we're gonna be real fancy, add a handle. I'm gonna add a handle while I have time to be real fancy. So you're gonna get a lot of these kind of pieces and put them on one of these squares. And next you'll get 2 of these to put right in the middle. And then you'll put another one of these right here. A Lego land sign, of course. Put that there. See, that was from Legoland. Just kidding. then you just get one of these. One of these. Then you're done with the spoon and bowl. Okay, we're done with this spoon and bowl. We're gonna take it out to Zoe and see if she can eat granola out of it. Hey Zoe, I'm done.
Thank you.
And I have enough time to add a handle to the spoon.
So tell her what you did. Sure, explain to her.
So I made it like a thin spot down there, and then made it just tall with a bunch of those, 2x2 ones. And then for the spoon, I added a long, short one with a lot of. You can see.
I love it. You did really good with the spoon. I like the spoon.
Hey, Zoe, you ready to eat some granola with your Lego spoon ball?
Yeah. I guess.
I'll get that off.
Thank you.
Don't drop it.
Thank you. Oh my
Oh
goodness.
my
Look at that spoon.
But first, before we do all that stuff that I just said, we're gonna eat it out of Max's Lego bowl.
Where's Max?
Doing Legos?
You gotta tell us what you're doing.
So right now I'm putting the granola in.
That's enough.
Really?
Yeah, you're about to eat lunch.
Okay.
I want some too.
So we don't know.
It will probably leak, but that's okay.
Okay, you're gonna need a smaller spoon.
Tell us what you're doing.
Wait, you have a Lego spoon.
She's got a Lego spoon. She's gotta try it. All right, Max. Hold on.
Milk.
Milk
Put
time.
milk in there. Here's the.
Oh boy. Gotta eat it fast. Oh gosh.
She successfully pulled it off.
All the milk is gone, but.
Hey guys, we finished the bowl, and Zoe ate out of it, and she did it. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna add more videos out soon. Click the subscribe button. Peace out.